Hi, I'm Emil. Today I'm going to explain the Turing Test and the term technological singularity. You might not know about it, however, I'll help you learn it. It only takes a few minutes. We humans are clever and can solve many things, such as a puzzle, an equation, or replace a tire on a car. Machines today are much smarter than they were 50 years ago. In addition, we might see an even greater sign of technology in a decade or two. In artificial intelligence, the Turing Test is a method for determining whether or not a computer is capable of thinking like a human. The test is named after Alan Turing, an English mathematician who pioneered artificial intelligence during the 1940s and the 1950s, and who is credited with devising the original version of the test. According to this kind of test, a computer is deemed to have artificial intelligence if it can mimic human responses under specific conditions. In Turing's test, if the human being conducting the test is unable to consistently determine whether an answer has been given by a computer or by another human being, then the computer is considered to have passed the test. Basically, if a person cannot tell that they are talking to a computer, that computer is effectively conscious. In the basic Turing test, there are 3 terminals. 2 of the terminals are operated by humans, and the 3rd terminal is operated by a computer. Each terminal is physically separated from the other 2. One human is designated as the questioner. The other human and the computer are designated as the respondents. The questioner interrogates both the human respondent and the computer according to a specified format, within a certain subject area and context, and for a present length of time, such as 10 minutes. After the specified time, the questioner tries to decide which terminal is operated by the human respondent and which terminal is operated by the computer. The test is repeated many times. If the questioner makes the correct determination in half of the test runs or less, the computer is considered to have artificial intelligence because the questioner regarded as just as human as the human respondent. If you go back 500 years, not much happened to the century. Now a lot happens in 6 months. Technological exponential. It gets faster and faster, and in about 40 years' time the changes are going to be astonishing that finally you will have to in your hands your own intelligence and merging with the intelligence technology we created. At 2029, machines will try to convince us that they are conscious, to claim to be human, and we'll believe them. At 2045, a human civilization will have expanded 1 billion-fold. This will be singularity, a method we borrow from physics for an event horizon that's hard to see beyond. The singularity is the hypothetical future creation of super-intelligence machines. Superintelligence is defined as a technologically created cognitive capacity far beyond that's possible for humans. Should the singularity occur, technology will advance beyond our ability to foresee or control its outcomes, and the world will be transformed beyond recognition by the application of superintelligence to humans and/or humans' problems, including poverty, disease, and mortality. Revolutions in genetics, nanotechnology, and robotics in the first half of the 21st century are expected to lay the foundations for the singularity. According to singularity theory, superintelligence will be developed by self-directed computers and will increase exponentially rather than incrementally. So, that's all I have. I hope you have learned a little bit more about the Turing Test and the term technological singularity. I'll thank you for listening, and I'll see you again another time. I'm out. Peace.